Chicken chili with rice. So delicious. Let's make chicken 250 gram. 1 tablespoon circa. Half teaspoon adrak paste. Half teaspoon Leeson paste. Half teaspoon lal merkin. Half teaspoon namak. Half teaspoon kali merkin. Half teaspoon chicken powder. 3 tablespoon corn flour. 3 tablespoon maida. 1 egg. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Fry marinated chicken. Deep fry. Fried chicken. Preparing for gravy. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons chili sauce. 1 tablespoon circa. 4 tablespoon ketchup. Mix well. 1 tablespoon chicken powder. 3 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. 3 tablespoon oil. Half teaspoon Leeson paste. Half teaspoon adrak paste. Cooked well. 1 medium piyaz. 1 shimla mirch. 3 hara mirchin. Cooked well. Gravy in it. Cooked well. Add chicken in it. Mix well. So yummy. Yummy chicken chili. Paradania for garnishing. So delicious. Ready to serve. Chicken chili with rice. So delicious. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.